that be the perfect way to handle that?
If it wasn't about the flag, yeah.
Right. That's the way Drew Brees handled it.
Yeah.
The guy who is now not woke enough and being canceled because he's such a racist, what he did is he took a knee. He took a knee. He just didn't take it during the anthem.
I bet he will now.
And now he probably will. Because he got yelled at, and his wife is apologizing for him.
Yeah. It's nuts. It's just nuts. I want to hear it from his great-great-grandchildren. I will forgive him for 100 years. Drew Brees won't believe him until his great-great-grandchildren say, no, I'm telling you, we're really sorry for what he did. Then I'll believe it. You know, these people, they do not live by the same rules at all. They don't practice what they preach at all. They say you want to be open, you've got to listen, you've got to come together, we've got to back this, hey, we're just about diversity. None of that is true. Look at the three things that they did when they opened up CHOP up in Seattle. What were the first three actions they took? You guys know? First three actions they took. Right? No.
Free food.
No, before this.
Free speech for all?
They built a wall. No, they built a wall. Right.
Okay,
Then they stationed somebody at the wall to check IDs for people who were coming in.
Mm-hmm.
And then they issued guns to the citizens so they could protect themselves and the community. So,
that's pretty amazing.
Everything that they say they're against, everything that this is not some flower child hippie parade in the middle of the day.
Yeah.
These are revolutionaries who will kill you if you step out of line.
And the second they got control of this supposed nation, they implemented like a lot of Donald Trump's agenda. We're like, build a wall, we're taking the borders. Like, and he went right into it.
That's right. Exactly right. Exactly right. I think they're Trump 2020. All right, you then. All right, let me tell you about our sponsor. We are really honored to have Tecovas sponsor this program. Tecovas started by a couple of guys who just knew that there is no reason why boots cost as much as they do. And those people who are in cowboy country know what I'm talking about. You're either buying a cheap pair of boots, or you're wearing like some, $2,500 pair of boots that's crazy. That's crazy. Well, it's all exotic leather. They're all handmade. Well, Tecovas knew they could do all the best exotic leathers and make them by hand. Still 200 handmade steps to make a pair of Tecovas boots and charge about half the price. And the way they have been doing this is they've cut out the middleman and they go directly to you. Tecovas boots. Find your pair. Find your pair now. Live the life. Live the life of who you are and what you were meant to be, and to hell with the rest of the world. Put on a pair of Tecovas. Remind yourself what real integrity is. Tecovas boots. Tecovas boots. Tecovas.com/Beck. Tecovas.com/Beck.
This is the Glenn Beck Program.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Traffic.
On this little traffic down from 146 merged towards exit 22, 610 connector on 95 south by the Providence Place Mall. And still have a little company getting through Pawtucket as well on 95 northbound up towards exit 30 as the road work continues. Winter Southern New England traffic. I'm John Upland.
We're all feeling the weight of COVID.
Google Home, Xbox, and... So, let me just...
Let them change me. They call me a baby.
Really good afraid this...
Furniture and mattress.
On the way.
Why did we... Summer sales of that 29...
Modern Mattresses, South Attleboro.
Yeah, right now.
Yeah.
Tell me that I'm good.
Down for Paul and Al's Final Vinyl.
Yeah, here at HJ from 82.
Boy, I feel really good. You see the article about everybody piling onto the Block Island Ferry, like 2 inches away from each other without masks?
Yep, country's reopening, and now, of course, everybody's getting back on airplanes again. This is pretty scary.
Top 5 signs are on a long flight.
Okay.
At number 5, you're seated in between somebody in a MAGA hat and an Antifa mask. Number 4, the guy next to you just requested 10 more seatbelt extenders.
Yeah.
At number 3, they keep bragging the plane was built with the latest safety technology in all of Uzbekistan. Number 2, the middle seat next to you is taken up by a guy without a mask who spits everywhere more than Sheldon Whitehouse when he talks.
Oh, yeah. Al got shields for everybody here. We should actually send some shields to Sheldon Whitehouse, right?
But the top sign, you're in for a long flight. Samuel L. Jackson is in your row, and you hear a faint hissing sound from under your seat.
Paul and Al.
I have had it with these mother snakes on this mother plane.
Mornings on 94. HJ1. From the Route 6 Automall Kia of Swansea.
You purchase select Superstart batteries with high cranking power and reserve capacity. Superstart batteries provide all the power your...
Start small.
is supposed...
And the best throwbacks.
And no mother's love, it's little chicken fried.